Yo, what's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. Let's get into this trade recap, man. Just a small red day. I finished it down $80. I had some errands to run, so I wasn't going to be at my desk all day. So I just made a quick trade. Didn't work out. Ended up getting out, just taking a small loss, man. At the end of the day, it went my way. But I just couldn't hold on to the thing all day. So I just went ahead and just got out at 550. I got in at 540. Just wanted like a 10-15 cent win. It came down a little bit. I thought it was gonna crack, and if it would have cracked, I would have got out to my little profit, and that was it. But it ended up going up, so I took a 10 cent loss, and that was it, man. Just a quick day today. Just wanted to recap on it. Let's see what else going on though. I seen some other stocks going crazy. Okay, I was watching GMVD, but the bar rolls was too expensive, man. I wasn't gonna pay that much for bar rolls, so to try to short this thing, because the history of this stock, it loves to gap up and sell off. So that's what it did again. Gap up, sell off. Like, as y'all can see, look, these counters right here, big gap, sell off, big gap. This what these wicks mean. Like, it topped out, but then it came all the way back down and closed down here. Like, it don't hold its gains at all. As y'all can see, look, big spike, pull back down, big spike, pull back down, big spike, big spike, big spike, pull back down. Same shit. That's what I was looking for, but the shorts was too expensive, and I wasn't gonna pay for that. So that's that on GMVD, but I was watching it. I surely wasn't gonna go long on it because it was just too risky going long. If you was gonna go long on it, you gotta be quick. What else I was watching? I was watching GNS too. What it do? Yeah, this thing, I seen it gapping up right here. I was interested, but I ended up missing this move right here. Ended up pulling back and then it spiked up higher, man. Good move right here. And then it sold back off. Some of these stocks are random, man. But I think those was the main three stocks I was watching, and I had to run, man. But that's it for this video. Just a quick recap. And if y'all trading, good luck to y'all. And I have more recaps and more videos. Yeah, again, if y'all got any questions, let me know. Follow my Twitter at DCPRT _1 or DCPRT1, my Twitter. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'm gone. Peace.